Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Sri Durga Vlogs. Today we will discuss about the basics of HTML in easy manner. So what is the web application? A web application is a kind of application that works on the client service architecture and request, replay and protocol. So it is the web application is a kind of application where it works on the client service architecture, request, replay and protocol. So first client is a forehand, server is a backend, DB is the database. So here the UI technologies are HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, these are all UI technologies. So these are when they use the full stack developer, we use these technologies. Here SQL is structured query language. So the client system is developed by the UI technologies. The what are the UI technologies? HTML, CSS, Java, Script. These are all UI technologies. So the client system is developed by using this UI technology. Which client system? Full stack development. Client system can be developed by using the UI technologies. Okay. So here HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is a not a programming language. It is a markup language. So why you will use the markup language? The web page will be appear good and look and feel. So the web page will be look as a good and feel it. Okay, so what is the definition of HTML? HTML definition: it is a language used for building the web page. Means we can build the web page will be good. Okay, that can be visualized in the web browser. Okay, we can build the web page and visualize in the web browser. Language is nothing but communication. Okay, here which language? Markup language. Markup language is nothing but communication. HTML is communicate with browser. Okay, HTML is communicate with the browser. Next is hypertext. So applying a link to the text, a web browser can understand the hypertext. What it is useful means to link the text to the web browser. When it is we can link the text, it can be understand by the hypertext. So which one is understand? Web browser only can understand the hypertext. Okay, fine. So which one is used? Web browser only understands the hypertext. Okay, hypertext is defines the internal and external associated with the web page. The web page mainly contains with tables, links and images. Okay, the web page also contains the tables, links and images. So the markup, what is the markup? It is a markup language. Since it is made up of tags and attributes. Okay. Attribute is nothing but property of the tag. So in the HTML page we using the opening tag and closing tag. Why we are using these two tags? By using the we write the program we using the two tags. One is opening tag, another one is closing tag. So in the why we will see the example. It is the opening tag and it is the closing tag. So the opening tag and the closing tag we have the instructions. Okay, so here the opening tag we have write the open and close. Okay, the tags and attributes. What are the tags and attributes? Here we see the attribute is a property of the tag. So here example we see image and src. Src is nothing but source. Src is nothing but source. So the first image is the tag, src is the attribute. So next is HTML document. A document where we develop the HTML code. This document may contains the various elements. So what the document it contains? Which the elements and the code. So the document must have the extension. Okay. So the extension is .html and .html. Okay. By using this HTML document, we can extend the file. How the extension the file? .html and .htm. This is useful for the to extension the document of HTML. Okay. Next, what is the use of the document? We can write the any program language to extension, means we can see the file on the .html file. Okay. Next, elements and components. What is the element and component? Interact with the web browser. The element is will be interact with the web browser to deliver the particular content. We can deliver the particular content. Okay. Next, what is the element? Every element will be used for the interact with the web browser. Next is HTML tags. So here, what is the HTML tag? A tag is a component of the HTML document which interact with the web browser. The HTML tag is interact with the web browser and put the content on the web page. Okay. Here the tag is used for interact with the web browser. Okay. And we write which in the particular content it is with HTML page. They have the two types of tags. So one is paired tag, another one is unpaired tag. What is the paired tag and what is unpaired tag? Now we will discuss. A tag which have the opening and closing instructions of the HTML elements. The tag which have the opening and closing instructions for an HTML element. Generally we use the angular braces for these tags. Okay. So that first we can write the tag and we can write there any content and we can close the angular braces. Okay, it is the opening tag. What is the closing tag? We can write as a write the first angular braces, we can like hash and we can write close the tag. It is the closed tag. We have the rules and regulations for paired tag. First we can open the tag and write the content and again we can close the tag. So this is the rules and regulations for the paired tags. So the must and should we can use the rules and regulation for the paired tags. Without closing the tag we cannot appear the web browser. Okay, we cannot appear the content on the web browser. Okay, what is the unpaired tag? The tag do not have the any closing instructions, means they do not have any closing instruction. Without rules and regulations, it is the unpaired tag. What is HR and BR? These are two are the unpaired tags. So BR is a break, means contains some of the space. HR is horizontal line. We get the horizontal line in the sum of the content. We use the HR. Okay, first we can write any paragraph. We want any line, means we can write as a tag. Which tag? HR tag. We get the horizontal line. We can write as a closed or open tag. We do not have any closing instructions. This is called as a unpaired tag. Okay, next, what is the HTML attribute? Okay, what is the HTML attribute? HTML attribute is a piece of HTML element. Okay, we using the in the HTML we using the tags and attributes. Okay, so that we using the both tags and attributes. The attribute is a piece of HTML element, a piece of HTML element that describes the functionality of the tag. HTML an attribute is a piece of tag. HTML element, it describes the functionality of the tag. Okay, it may also specify the behavior and the structure of the tag. Okay, so where first we can write the first